cause it look like I don't speak no English, Lord. No English. I don't speak no English. No English, no English. I don't speak no English. I'm with your nigga at the bank.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Mocahantas No English. I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I made this bougie logo right here. So cute, right? And I did it in less than 10 minutes. So yes, let's get started. So first I'm gonna go down to the PNG backgrounds on PicArt. Then I'm gonna add a photo. So then you're just gonna scroll through and see what photos you like. So I picked my bougie brat. Then you're gonna make her bigger and you're gonna hit cut out. Now when you click on that little person at the bottom, it's gonna highlight it for you and you just have to go in and fill it in. It's easier that way. So make sure you go in and fill it in. Make sure the whole thing is red. So at the bottom, you're going to see how you size it. You're going to see a paintbrush, and you're going to see an eraser, and you're going to see an eye. Okay, so the eraser is to erase it. Make sure you can push the back button if you mess up, and then you can start over. So the eye is how you see it in this form instead of the red. So yes, sis, when you're done, do not click apply, because if you click apply, you cannot move her anymore. So you're going to have to click the plus sign instead of the apply. Click the plus sign. It's going to bring you to your stickers. Now my sticker's already here. You search for what sticker you want. So yes, then we're just going to put the sticker around her and, you know, play with it. Make sure the sizing is right. All of that. So yes. Yes, so I'm just going to make her smaller, make the border bigger, or make her bigger, make the border smaller. It's just all about playing around with it. So yes, cute. So after that, you click apply, then you're going to save it. Then next, we're going to go to the Fonto app to add my bougie in. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the photos, go to our photo albums, and we're going to find that picture that we just made. Okay, so yes, after that, you're just going to add your text, which is bougie, of course. Bougie gang. And then you're just going to go to all the fonts. Now look, it's so many fonts on this. PicArt have fonts, but they don't have these fonts. So if you only have PicArt, you can do it with that, but I prefer to do it with this. So once you click on style, for the main color, you're going to click on text, and for the outline, you're going to click on stroke. And then from there, you're just going to click on size and make it bigger or smaller, and then just play with it to hide all the things that you didn't hide when you cut it out. So next you're going to save it as a PNG, so it's still secret. Okay, then we're going to go back to the PicArt app, and then we're going to upload that picture in there. And then we're just going to go to our brushes, and we're going to add a brush in. I put the pink little dots. So yes, we're just going to add our brush. Now, if you go outside the lines, all you have to do is just push the undo or make your brush a little bit smaller, and then you start over. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe for more of these videos. Comment down below. I'm out of here. Bye.